Manipur Bar Association member Amasu Oiriba advocate MD Ajmal Hussian da Manipur State Legal Services Authority na Best Panel Lawyer HAINA MINTHONBA Award KHUTSINNAKHRE Aikhogi Paumiga Akhanana Unaba Amada Mahakna Sahi Tara Hena Practice Toduna Lakpada Mahakpo Sakhang Biduna Award Asi Kibani Madi Nungaiba Fondoroli Luna Mahakna Award Asi Fangbada Mahakpu support Tobira Kiba Mahaki Kalik Imung Manung Singda Mahagna Award Asi Panglapagi Credit Pirakli Amadi Saint Tumgi Pibam Awaba Oiriba Singna Case Ama Tengnaba Matamda Legal Help Sing Lofum Legani Amadi Mahaki Maike Dagisu Yarba Makai Mating Pangani Haike
Aina ngasi sugumba award amphangasi on legal aid service pibada phangpasi. I am very happy. I asukimati hainga leidan harawi ai service ta it's almost completed 10 years aduga masigi give credit to my senior counsel ai mingwaina panjaro da sir Hemchandra gi makhada ai junior waina practice horokani adu makhada gi sir gi guidance makhada aina si sumaina makha continuous ai there ai gi chamber tor kanda ai ko makha practice to jobne ai gi junior. I really appreciate my friend ai Marup Singh haitare dagi ai nupi. My wife is the backbone of everything. No complaint. Ai nupi na sukimatik support to number mo rakanda ina practice da sukimatik sanction bani baba ai ima ai uncle Singh dagi ai lady junior colleague asukimati hard working ni adagi ai junior Singh makoi asukimati hard working oi adagi imanava Singh. I really want to give all this credit to them.